Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a redesign, creating something more festive for the 4th of July. So if you're interested in how we created this look, then please keep on watching. Getting right into today's video, I'm taking my Kiara Sky e-file and I'm going to sand down all of that gel polish, get it down to the jelly tip. Filing down all this gel polish probably took the longest out of the whole set. This is my first time doing an infill for jelly tips, so we're gonna see how it turns out here. This part is pretty repetitive, so I'm just going to let you watch this and I will be back here shortly. Although the dust collector does do a good job in collecting most of the dust, I do suggest wearing a mask while you're filing like that too, because you can most definitely get some in your lungs, breathing that closely to your filing. So I do suggest wearing a mask while using a dust collector too, just to be safe. I'm taking my Madam Glam base coat gel and I'm going to be applying that on all of my nails to give that adhesion for the structure gel that I'm going to be using for the infill. After applying all the base coat, you're going to cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. Taking my Gelish Structure Gel, and I'm going to be using this for the infill. And you could use Builder Gel also. I just liked the applicator on this. It was a little bit easier to control. But I'm just going to take that Structure Gel and I'm going to just fill in the very bottom where it needs to be filled. And I'm just applying a thin layer and I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 45 seconds. And then I'm going to take another coat and coat the whole nail just to build it up to where it's even all around. And then I'm going to cure it then for another 45 seconds. After I've applied that to both hands, I'm now going to go back in with my e-file and clean up the cuticle area, just getting rid of any bulkiness, and then I'm going to be taking a cuticle bit on after this so I can get really nice and close to the cuticle, make it look flush to the nail. After this, you're going to want to take a hand file and really crisp up those edges and the tips of the nails. Take a buffing block and scratch up the surface again. Honestly, I felt like it would have been easier to just take these off and start over rather than to fill in any of the pieces that may have broke off with the structure gel. And it took a lot longer to file than it does when you just apply them on and go. So I don't know if I would do this part again. I figured it would have been a lot faster, but I didn't find it really any faster than just applying them on your nails and going. I hope that's making sense to you guys. For polish today, of course, we are using some patriotic colors. I've got my Perfect White from Madam Glam. This is going to be my base color for all of the nails. I'm going to apply 2 coats of this and cure in the light for 60 seconds.
What to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. This bed is out of space, just keep painting constellations. You cover me in glitter till I'm shining bright. I never wanna leave the sky. The way you made me feel alive. I was in the dark and baby, you're the light. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Couldn't fight if I wanted. Flying to places that I never thought I could go. You're a meteor shower, falling down all over me. Yeah, you're making me glow. Couldn't fight if I wanted. Flying to places that I never thought I could go. Starry-eyed.
Before we do our nail design, I'm going to be applying my Madam Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat on all of the nails and curing for 60 seconds.
Dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body.
This is how we're looking out of the light with the matte top coat. I really like the way nails look with the matte top coat. I think they look really nice, but with the white, I know that it just wouldn't last. It's gonna get dirty really fast. So going in with that nail art now, and I'm using my Madam Glam Behind the Scenes. This is really the only dark blue that I have. Then I'm taking some Perfect Red from Madam Glam, and we're gonna be using these for our half French. For both of the ring fingers, I am creating a firework design, so I'm just taking some of that red and some of that blue with my art brush and just creating thin lines, making it looking like a firework. Then I'm going to throw some glitter on there to kind of make it pop and cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Anything that you mess up, just take some rubbing alcohol and a different brush and just kind of clean it up the best you can. Because of the white, it did leave kind of a little stain behind, I guess, so it was kind of hard to keep it clean, but I did my best here. After I get it to my liking and I clean it up a bit, I do cure it in the lamp for a full 60 seconds before I move on to the other nails so I don't mess anything up. And there is a lot of cleanup to do because these colors are so dark. It leaves, like I said, a little pigmentation on the other nails when you're trying to clean it up. So you just got to make sure you really have a clean brush every time you go clean off the gel polish that you're using. Moving on to my other nails, I'm just going to alternate these between the red and the blue. And I've been seeing this half French style abstract nail art on Instagram, so I wanted to give it a go. And I really liked the way that it turned out. It was much easier to get those straight lines when you just did the single stroke, put the brush on the nail, did your lines, and then pulled up afterwards. When you keep pulling the brush up and having to go back in to finish up your lines, it does get a little wonky. So definitely only do one strokes and you'll be surprised how straight your lines will be. If you're enjoying this video, if you can hit the like button and comment down below and let me know what your plans are for the 4th of July. Do you have any fun, exciting things to do, or are you just kind of chill, laid back, you know, just gonna enjoy the weekend with the fam and not do anything crazy? After I finish applying all of the gel polish, I'm going in and I'm going to cure that in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. Now I'm taking my Madam Glam No Wipe Top Coat, and this is a shiny top coat. I'm going to apply that on all of the nails, and again cure it for a full 60 seconds. Taking my Young Nails rose oil and applying that to all of the nails and rubbing that in really good. This is the finished look. I'm really loving playing with the different kinds of nail art there are, pigments, gel polishes. There's unlimited designs that you can do. So enjoying stepping out of my comfort zone, trying new things, but I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please be safe over the holiday weekend. As Bailey Sarian would say, make good choices. Thank you guys so much for joining me again, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye!